Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Diffusion Models. How AI paints pictures and makes music from noise. Ever wondered how AI can create stunning images from a simple text description or even generate unique music? That's the magic of diffusion models. They are a cutting-edge type of AI that learns to generate incredibly realistic and diverse data, from pictures to sounds. By starting with pure randomness and slowly refining it, forget just recognizing patterns. These AIs create them. Imagine you have a shapeless blob of clay, completely random. That's our noise. Now, picture an incredibly skilled sculptor who knows exactly how to chip away, smooth, and refine that clay over many steps until it becomes a beautiful statue. That's our desired image or music. Diffusion models work similarly. They start with noise, like static on an old TV or random sound, and gradually denoise or refine it until a clear, coherent image or piece of music emerges. To teach an AI how to create something, we first teach it how to destroy it. This is called the forward diffusion process. We take a perfectly clear image, like a photo of a cat, and gradually add a tiny bit of random noise to it. Step by step, we repeat this many times until the original image is completely obscured and becomes pure, meaningless noise. Think of it like slowly blurring a photo until it's just a random collection of colored pixels. We do this for millions of images, creating a sequence of increasingly noisy versions. This is where the real AI magic happens. Once the AI has seen countless examples of images turning into noise, it learns to do the opposite. We give the AI a completely noisy image, like the final blurred-out cat photo, and ask it to predict how to remove just a tiny bit of noise to make it slightly clearer. It does this over and over, taking small steps. Each step gets it a little closer to a recognizable image. It's like having a blurred photo and an AI that can unblur it, one tiny step at a time, until a new, original picture appears. What kind of AI model performs this denoising magic? Often, it's a specialized type of neural network called a U-net. Without getting too technical, imagine a U-net as a super smart filter. You feed it a noisy image, and it learns to output only the noise that needs to be removed at that specific step. By subtracting that predicted noise, the image becomes slightly clearer. This process repeats, guided by the U-net, until the noise is gone and a new, unique image is generated. How does the U-net learn to find the noise so accurately? We show it a slightly noisy image and the actual noise we added to create it from its clearer version. Remember the forward process? The U-net tries to predict the noise. We then compare its prediction to the true noise. If it's wrong, we adjust the U-net's internal settings, its weights, so it gets better next time. This process is repeated billions of times with countless images, refining the U-net's ability to accurately predict and remove noise at any stage. Diffusion models are incredibly powerful because they generate high-quality, diverse, and novel data. They don't just remember and spit out existing images. They truly create new ones. This makes them perfect for image generation, creating art, product designs, or realistic photos from text, like DALL-E 2, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, image editing, removing objects, changing styles, or filling in missing parts of images, music generation, crafting new melodies, harmonies, or entire songs, video generation, creating short video clips or animations. The possibilities are truly expanding every day. As a developer, you don't need to build these complex models from scratch. Many powerful, Pre-trained diffusion models are available through open-source libraries like Hugging Faces. Diffuser's library in Python. You can download these models and integrate them into your applications with just a few lines of code. Imagine building an app that generates unique wallpapers daily, a tool for artists to create concept art instantly, or even an AI music composer. The barrier to entry is lower than ever, opening up incredible creative possibilities for your projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.